triple angle identities. First we will memorize 3 formulas and then we will solve the questions accordingly. So the first formula for sine 3 alpha is 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine cube alpha. The triple angle formula for cos is 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. And triple angle formula for tan is if sine 3 theta over cos 3 theta plus 2 cos theta is equals to 11. What is the value of tan theta? So this is the first question we are going to solve using triple angle identities. So the formula for sine 3 theta is this one. So we will put the value 3 sine, here we have theta, so we will write the formula in terms of theta, minus 4 sine cube theta. This is cos 3 theta. So this is the formula for the triple angle of cos. So writing this formula in the term of theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now this one, the value will be written as it is, plus 2 cos theta, and this is equals to 11. Writing the numerator as it is. Here we have minus 3 plus 2 cos of theta, which is equals to minus cos theta. It is equals to 11. We can take sine common from the numerator. So taking sine common, and here we have 3 minus 4. This is sine cube. 1 is taken as a common. So we have left with sine square theta divided by. Now we will take cos theta common. Cos, and we have 4 cos square theta minus 1, and this is equals to 11. Now here we have the expression in the form of cos, and here we have the expression in the form of sine. So we will write sine square theta in terms of cos. Using the fundamental identity of trigonometry, we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, and sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So we will put this value of sine square theta here, 1 minus cos square theta divided by, here we have cos 4 cos square theta minus 1. Now sine 3 minus, multiply 4 inside the bracket, and we have 4 minus minus plus 4 cos square theta divided by cos 4 cos square theta minus 1, and this is equals to 11. Now sine, this is 3 minus 4, which is equals to minus 1, plus 4 cos square theta divided by cos, and this is also minus 1 plus 4 cos square theta, and this is equals to 11. Now these two expressions are same and they will be cancelled out. We have sine over cos, which is equals to tan. This is theta. Sorry, theta is missing. This is sine theta over cos theta, which is equals to tan theta, and this is equals to 11. So the value of tan theta is equals to 11. So next question we have is, what is the value of 5 multiplication with 3 tan 10 degrees minus tan cube 10 degrees divided by 1 minus 3 tan square 10 degrees, right? So as we know that this is an expression for the value of the triple angle of tan. The triple angle of tan is here we have tan 3 alpha, which is equals to 3 tan alpha. It means this 3 comes outside the expression and we have 3 tan alpha minus tan cube alpha divided by 1 minus 3 tan square alpha, right? So here we have 3 tan 10 degrees. So 3 alpha here will be 3 into 10, which means 30 degrees. So this is the formula for tan 30 degrees. 5 multiplication with tan 30 degrees and a whole square. 5 into tan 30 is equals to 1 over under root 3 and a whole square, which is equals to 5 into the square of 1 is 1, and this is we have under root 3 whole square. The square will be cancelled out with this under root and we have the value 5 over 3. So the answer for this expression is 5 over 3. Next question we have is prove the following. 2 tan theta sin 2 theta over cos theta plus sin 3 theta is equals to tan 2 theta into tan theta, right? So here we have 2 sin theta sin 2 theta written as it is divided by cos theta plus this is cos 3 theta. Putting the formula, this is equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, right? Since we are dealing with the triple angle identities, so we will put the formula wherever a triple angle comes. We will not put the value of this sin 2 theta unnecessarily, right? So here we have 2 sin theta sin 2 theta divided by this is cos theta minus 3 cos theta, which is equals to 4 cos cube theta written as it is, and subtracting these two terms we have minus 2 cos of theta. Writing the numerator as it is, taking 2 cos theta common from the denominator, taking 2 common we have 2 left inside the bracket and cos square theta minus 1. Now this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out and this is equals to sin theta sin 2 theta divided by cos theta and 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is the double angle formula for cos 2 theta, right? So sin theta over cos theta, this is equals to tan theta into sin 2 theta over cos 2 theta, this is equals to tan 2 theta. So this is what we wanted to prove.